Because the whole principle, when you say diksha, diksha means upanayanam. Diksha, upanayam. That's traditionally in a Brahmin, it's called upanayanam, diksha. That's when he gets Brahmin thread. We don't get that, of course, or maybe in some institutions they give. But the principle of diksha means you're moving closer to the guru. Upanaya means to sit nearby. So because diksha means guru accepts you. First he accepts you as a disciple, and diksha means he accepts you directly into the fold of bhakti. Because diksha will take you to prema. The holy name will take you to prema, but it'll be more difficult without diksha. You need guru, no prema. So guru, if you have guru, you'll get prema. He may not tell you to chant the holy name. He may tell you to read shastras all day. Or just chant Hare Krishna one time. Chant one mala, read shastras all day. That's his order. So by his order, you'll get prema. Because he's Krishna, Sakshat Hari. He's empowered by Krishna. His order. So he's not telling you, because any limb of bhakti will give you prema. Shravanam, hearing about Krishna, reading Shastra, that will give prema. Kirtan will give prema. Your Guru Deva says, you have a very great visualization powers, you're very peaceful, you're a yogi before, you used to meditate. Okay, you read these lilas, you meditate on lila. It's hypothetical. Very rarely would happen. You just meditate, because you can get prema by smaran. So you're doing smaran, meditation, you get prema, because you have guru. But if you have guru, you get prema. But if you have guru, then he gives you diksha. The diksha mantras have power. Gopal mantra and Kam Gayatri. Because it says that Gopal mantra has the power to give prema. And so does the holy name. So you're getting more power from these two mantras. When the guru gives you, he gives you more power to more quickly attain the prema. So that's why this diksha will be helpful. Not absolutely necessary, but generally everyone takes diksha. That's what we see. But extremely helpful to purify our nature. It's very powerful, purifying mantras, and also they're prema-giving mantras.